Hi, my name is Ryan Teeples. I'm the founder of SEORM Solutions, and I'm here to answer the question you're probably asking what everybody else is asking, and that is, what is SEORM Solutions and how can my company or my site benefit from it? It's actually fairly simple. Here's how it works. We live in a world where we rely on the internet for almost everything. And the internet is simply a collection of sites or a collection of servers that contain sites with content that connect to each other. So you have a site and you sit right here, and your site has multiple pages of content. And your job is to make sure to manage the content on that site as well as to get people to visit it. So how do people visit your site? How do they find you? Typically, they're going to find you in two ways, just like they do anything else. The first thing is they search for it and they find you on their own. So they come here to any search engine like Google, they type in their keywords there, and they get a list of results that then lead them back to your site and your content. But what's the other way that people find anything, not just things on the web? It's through referrals, it's through word of mouth, through other people. So on the web, the way that it works is you've got other sites over here that are linking to your site. Okay, those are called backlinks. Now, the internet is full of backlinks, some good, some bad, but the important thing to understand is that backlinks are a major portion of how people find your site. Now, a backlink is simply a piece of code or a piece of a hyperlink that directs you to a certain site. But what people fail to recognize about backlinks is that behind every backlink is an actual living, breathing human being. And what SEORM Solutions does is recognizes that and helps you build a relationship with that person or with that company that actually lives behind the backlinks or behind the site. A lot of times the backlink is part of the site collection, just like yours. And so the software solution is designed for you to develop relationships with those people to improve and increase the number of backlinks you get. Because what happens right now is this guy has this site here, he stumbles upon your content in some way, he finds something that he's interested in, he thinks his audience would be interested in, he pastes the link on his site, and then the traffic flows through. And you earn money from that, whether you earn money from advertising impressions that you deliver, or maybe you're an online retailer and you make money from the traffic that comes because they buy products. Whatever the method, you're going to make money from that traffic. But what if you could perpetuate that process even faster? What if you could nurture those relationships with your existing backlinkers, as well as develop relationships with new backlinkers? That's what SEORM Solutions does. It helps you, it gives you the tools and the application you need to actively and effectively effectively cultivate a relationship with this person. In addition to that, it does two specific things. The first thing is it takes the content in your sites and matches it with the content in the backlinker site. So let's say you create a new piece of content and you think it's pretty good. What SEORM Solutions will do is analyze that content and then go out and say, based on the content that you've created, we think that these backlinkers are ideal to provide a backlink to you. And then, by the way, it automatically will solicit them a message, whether it's an email or a tweet or whatever method of communication you choose. It'll communicate to that person and encourage them to backlink to that content because they think it's contextual and relevant to that person. And then the last thing that SEORM Solutions does is it allows you to automate a lot of that process so that rather than having to call this person on the phone or think about how you're going to approach a backlinker, it can deliver all of that for you, and it can be turnkey. And what it does is then assigns a monetary value to every piece of content you have in your library, and says, based on the backlinkers that you have in the database, we think this content is under maximized in terms of revenue by this amount because these backlinkers could link to it, and based on historical numbers, those backlinkers provide this much monetary value because the traffic they send has a certain value based on how many pages they view and how many ad impressions they click on, and how much, if you're a retailer, how much stuff they buy. So it brings that all together for you in one place and allows you to truly cultivate relationships that will drive revenue through backlinks. And then the last thing about that is not only your existing backlinkers, it helps you find more people who own properties or have social media profiles or whatever it happens to be out here on the web that are ideal candidates to provide new backlink relationships for you. And then again, you cultivate those relationships, and in the end, you get more money. And that's what SEORM Solutions is about.